What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today is the day, people. We are firing up the FRS. We are taking it out for the first time. Tune finally came in. It's just a base tune, so we can't boost super hard right now or anything. So this is going to be the first drive, first startup of everything. So I'm really excited for this, guys. I don't know. Hopefully everything goes well. We will see what happens. So stay tuned. We're going to get everything started up right now. All right, we checked oil, everything is good. So we're gonna go on over here. Gotta get the boards aligned. Can't get off the dang ramp, not even really lowered. Got the GoPro set up over here. We're gonna get a good exhaust note, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and plug in OpenFlash Tuner quick. Hold on, sorry guys. All right, everything's hooked up. Here we go. Let's go ahead, prime the system real quick. Push the gas pedal down. All right, should be good. We primed it a little bit before, so let's go ahead and see what she's got. There she is, guys. All right, guys, she's officially on the streets. We're gonna go ahead and do some test drives with her, but right now, so far so good, knock on wood. So hopefully everything is good to go. I am running to Subaru right now. I need to go get a PCV valve for the STI for this thing. So I don't understand why this one can't hold it, but I don't really want to take the chance. But I need 10 to 15 miles of nice, easy driving. So I'm just gonna cruise on down there, take it nice and easy, probably not boost, but just get the whole system basically, let it, you know, go through everything with the tune and all that stuff. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. I know this was a quick video. Just wanted to let you guys see what she sounds like for the first time starting her up. So now that we do have the startup, I will go ahead and post all the installation videos. I was kind of hesitant on posting those just because I was ticked that I hadn't get my tune yet. But now that we are good to go, we are definitely going to post those up. So stay tuned for more great videos, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.